Hey, check this out. I figured out something neat with my powers recently. With one single tap, I can pretty much learn any language. Kakaya, ne? And the best part is, it works on other people too.
진짜요?
Turns out, human languages aren't really that complex. 3, 2, 1, go!
This is a hotspot. 숨쉴 듯 찾는 이 밥솥. 장거리에 되는 설레는 참을 수 없는 맛. 우리는 in the kitchen. cooking it, scrapping. 나의 맛대로 saucing. Another world's gone. You don't need to think too much. 씹고 뜯고 맛보고 즐기다 가면 돼. 있으면 들어 in your mouth. Guilty pleasure never killed me, baby. Shut up. I say kiss again, see. 그냥 삶이 선한지. 그냥 속에 어차피 이래라 이래라. 머릿속 깁스라스. Pass the shit between your teeth. 그냥 속에 어차피 이래라 이래라.
This is the sweet spot. Hit up the ceiling, it's the big shot. Chat choice, no reason. Yeah, you lost in the sauce, no turning back. Do your box, 우리 저나 빈자는 거의 빙하는 거. 좋은 게 스포지 좋다는 게 왜 뭐든 엮어. Like a cat in a kitchen, and the 여전히 priceless. But the wrong cookies, I got you. The go to the one I choose the cursor. 내가 미치한 터진 공이 또 손을 빼고 already had shock. 모든 주제를 속이는 사람은 니의 나오지가 애써 바로.
Yeah, this is the hotspot. Don't give a fuck, 니가 뭐라던. 씹어보자 맛이 좋아. 필요 없어, 3-star. 야 말로만 hate it. 어디 가서 너의 diet. Number less, couldn't me. You better stop.